This is Optimized Tube. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest AI tech news and reviews. Today, we have something really exciting to talk about. Google has just introduced generative AI in search, and I'm one of the lucky few granted early access. In this video, I'll be sharing my review of this groundbreaking feature. But before we dive in, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any future updates. All right, let's get started. One of the first things I like is how Google made its new AI feature an option we can easily turn on and off. After clicking on the Search Labs icon in the top right corner, there are three options: SGE, Coding Tips, and Add to Sheets. SGE stands for Search Generative Experience. Turn this on to get AI-powered overviews with helpful info and ask follow-ups questions. Turn on Code Tips, and you'll get coding tips directly in search. Simply search for topics across JavaScript, Python, and more, and code tips will be displayed. Add to Sheets is for those who like coordinating with friends or family for things like travel, events, and more. Add to Sheets makes it easy to add search results to a collaborative spreadsheet. Once you've turned on these features, you'll notice a significant change in your search results. The AI-powered results appear at the top of the page, above the usual search results. And I must say, Google has done an impressive job integrating this new AI feature without disrupting the familiar Google search experience we're all used to. If you want to see the full response, just click on Show More, and you'll find additional details. Plus, there's a button to ask a follow-up question and a list of suggested questions for further exploration. Take a look at this icon here. It's a neat addition that weaves the source links into the response. I find this particularly helpful as it shows where the AI is getting its information or where it suggests you go for more details. And don't worry, the usual search results are still there, just below the AI section. Now, when you ask a follow-up question, it transitions into a more chat-like environment, making it easy to scroll back through the conversation. But even at this point, if you scroll down, you'll still find the regular search results. Now, let's talk about my personal opinion. Honestly, I'm loving it. Google has done a fantastic job with the design and functionality of the search results page. I noticed that the AI section has a different color every time I do a new search, and that's cool. As for the AI itself, it's really impressive. It doesn't feel weird or overly limited like Bing, and it seems more sophisticated than Bard. Also, it's not as conversational and opinionated as ChatGPT. This new AI has its own unique vibe that I can't quite put my finger on, but there's definitely something special about it.